How do you know if an investment is actually worth it? Let's make it simple.
Every business has costs, like rent, materials, and transport.
When does a business actually start making profit? Let's break it down simply. First, you invest money today. In the future, you expect to receive returns from that investment, and over time, those returns can grow. But here's the key idea. Money you receive in the future is worth less than money you have today because of time and opportunity. To calculate net present value, we first convert all future cash flows into today's value. Then we subtract the initial investment. The result is called NPV. Now the decision is simple. If NPV is positive, you accept the investment because it adds value. But if NPV is negative, you reject it because it leads to a loss. So remember, first you invest, then calculate the value, and finally make your decision. Follow Global Student Bites for simple business lessons.
Thank you for watching.